7 reasons why you need to be using coconut oil. It is a typical misconception that coconut oil is bad for you. Individuals all over the world are experiencing the healthy benefits of using coconut oil. It is actually among the healthiest oils you can take in. This video will go over the leading 7 reasons why you ought to use coconut oil as an option to other common cooking oils. Number 1. Coconut oil doesn't change to fat in your body. Unlike numerous other common oils, like soy, veggie, and corn, coconut oil won't make you fat. Coconut oil includes medium-chain triglycerides, MCT, which are an easy fuel for the body to burn, without turning to fat. The majority of other cooking oils and fats consist of long-chain triglycerides, LCT. LCTs are normally stored as fat. Given that coconut oil is a MCT, it is more quickly absorbed and converted to energy quicker. Individuals in the tropics have actually counted on coconuts as a conventional staple in their diet for centuries. They take in large amounts of coconut oil every day. Instead of getting fatter, it helps them stay healthy, lean and trim. When they change from coconut oil to our modern-day oils, they establish weight problems and the health problems that our contemporary society faces. Some other individuals who have actually known this fact for a long period of time are individuals who remain in the animal feed service. When livestock are fed veggie oils, they gain weight and produce more fatty meat. When they are fed coconut oil, they become extremely lean. Number 2. Coconut oil increases your metabolic process. Not only does coconut oil convert to energy quicker in your body, it increases your metabolism, which promotes weight reduction. Because it enhances your metabolism, it assists your body burn fat more effectively. Coconut oil may triple your calorie burn. Given that coconut oil is a MCT, it is converted to energy so rapidly that it produces a lot of heat. In a study published in the American Journal of Medical Nutrition, MCTs burn 3 times more calories for 6 hours after a meal than LCTs. The February 15, 2005 Problem of Ladies World publication stated that coconut oil is the underground high metabolism trick. This is excellent news for individuals who have thyroid issues, given that coconut oil enhances slow thyroids by stimulating the production of additional thyroid hormones. Most other typical oils, like vegetable, soy, and corn have been revealed to hinder thyroid function. Number 3. Coconut oil has actually omega-3 fatty acids. A lot of cooking oils consist of omega-6 fats, something we get way too much of in the United States. Our omega-6 to omega-3 ratio ought to be 1:1, but it is more like 50:1. We require to significantly cut down our omega-6 oils and take in a lot more omega-3 oils to be healthy. And coconut oil is filled with these healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Number 4. Coconut oil gives you energy. Because of the healthy omega-3 fatty acids and the truth that it increases the metabolism, most people that switch to coconut oil feel a burst of added energy in their life. This is due to the fact that coconut oil is nature's richest source of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which increase metabolic rates and cause weight loss. MCTs promote thermogenesis, which increases the body's metabolism, producing energy. This is since coconut oil is nature's wealthiest source of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which increase metabolic rates and result in weight loss. MCTs promote thermogenesis, which increases the body's metabolism, producing energy. Lots of people with fatigue syndrome and fibromyalgia have actually discovered that adding coconut and coconut oil to their diet plan was practical to them. Number 5. One of the very best things you can utilize on your skin and hair is coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the very best things you can apply directly on your skin and hair. It offers temporary relief to skin problems like rashes. It helps in healing and restoring skin to a younger look. It has likewise been understood to assist with individuals who suffer from yeast infections in the skin, as well as numerous other skin issues. Not only does it soften and smooth your skin, coconut oil has antioxidant properties that protect the skin from totally free extreme damage. Coconut oil makes excellent massage oil too. Number 6. Coconut oil has healthy advantages that most other oils do not. Evidence shows that coconut oil has antifungal, antibacterial and antiviral results when both taken in and used topically on the skin. A lot of oils oxidize and turn rancid really rapidly, causing complementary radical damage in our bodies. Coconut oil is not quickly oxidized and does not cause harmful complementary radical damage like polyunsaturated vegetable oils. Free extreme damage is believed to be accountable for many ailments in our body, from arthritis to increased susceptibility to cancers. Coconut oil also assists our bodies take in other nutrients more effectively, such as vitamin E. Number 7. Coconut oil is one of the best oils you can use for cooking. It has a greater smoke point than olive oil, which indicates it can take higher temperature levels better. There are a number of healthy omega-3 oils we can select to take in, such as flax and olive oil, however they don't do well under the high heat we utilize for cooking. Coconut oil can be used in higher cooking temperature levels. It is harder for coconut oil to go rancid, unlike other cooking oils, which are normally rancid long before you even bring them home. Rancid oils trigger free radical damage in the body, which is a leading reason for cancer. Coconut oil is steady for over a year at normal room temperature level. Because of the false information we have actually been provided for several years, we have lost out on the healthy advantages that coconut oil has provided individuals of the tropics for centuries. Today it has actually been found. This video has shown that coconut oil is reliable, so start consuming and preparing with coconut oil today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.